Hello everyone, welcome to Rondi Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today we are going to learn the 9th standard exercise 1.5. Directly some rules for the exponents in that. So first main it is exercise directly questions. First main find, it is written first main find. In that first one 64 the power 1 by 2. 64 we can write as the base 2. 64 divided by 2 32 again by 2 16. I hope you know this one by factors, prime factors numbers. So it can be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the power 6 the power 1 by 2. Now you know that a the power m the power n is equal to a the power m into n. This law of exponents. So we can write it that 2 the power 6 into 1 by 2. So 1, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So we can write 2 the power 3. 3 1 are 3. 2 the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So the answer of this 64 the power 1 by 2 is equal to 8. It is answer. Next taking the another question from here. So another question says that another question says that 32 the power 1 by 5 1 by 5. Now 32 we are going to the base as the 2 only and the powers base. So 32 we can write like this prime factorization. 2 16 will come again 2 then it will come 8 again 2 then it will come the 4 again 2 then it will be the 2 then 2 and 1. So we can write the 32 we can write 1 2 3 4 5 to the power 5 the power 1 by 5. This power as it is 1 by 5 and you know that a the power m the power n is equal to a the power m into n. So we can write to the power 5 into 1 by the 5 cancel. So what we come to the power 5 1 1 ja 1 to the power 1 is equal to 2 and that is the answer of this question. Next we are going to do the third question. In that first main third question it says that 125 the power 1 by 3 means we have to change this into the power only. So 125 it is the you know that it divisible by the 5 only because of ending last digit is the 5. So it is divisible by the 5. So 5 then it will come to 25 again 5 then it will come the 5 and again 5 then 1. So we can write 5 the power 3 the power 1 by 3 and already I said a the power m into the power n is equal to a the power m into n. So we can write 5 the power 3 the power 1 by 3 3 cancel upon 5 the power 1 is equal to 5. Now this is the answer. Now we are going to second main question. In that article also written it is find and what are the questions given. Here question given that 9 the power 3 by 2 means same as it is as how we done the first main according to that only. So 9 I can write 9 we can write 3 into 3 means 3 the power 2 3 the power 2 the power 3 by 2. Now you know a the power m into a the power n is equal to a the power m into n. So we can write 3 the power 2 into the 3 the by 2 2 cancel. We know 3 the power 3 is equal to 27. So the answer of this question is 27. 3 power 3 means 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. It is came now this. Now second question in that given. Second question. Exercise 1.5. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe the channel. It is written 32 the power 2 by 5. And before that question I done 32 we can write to the power 5. To the power 5 the power 2 by 5. You know that a the power m into a the power n or power having power are multiplied to a the power m into n. So we can write to the power 5 into 2 by 5 5 cancel 2 by 2 the power 2 is equal to 4. That is the answer. Now third question given in that second main third question it says that 16 the power 3 by 4. Now you know 16 we can write to the power 4 the power 3 by 4. 16 as you know 16 we can write like this 2 8 2 4 2 2 2 1. So this 1 2 3 4 times. So we can write a the power m the power n is equal to a the power m into n. Then we can write to the power 4 into 3 by 4 4 cancel to the power 3 is equal to 8. That is the answer of this question. Next we are going another question, fourth question, second main fourth question in that. Second main fourth question says that 125 the power minus 1 by 3. Now in the first question we done, last question we done 125, we can write 5 the power 3, the power 1 minus 1 by 3. We can write it like this: 5 the power 3 into minus 1 by 3, because of a the power m into the, or power having power are multiplied, a the power m into n. So we can write this 3 cancel, 5 the power minus 1, and any number has the minus power, then it is written 1 by 5, because of a the power minus m is equal to 1 by a the power m. This is the law of exponents in that, or power you learnt in the 8th standard or 7th standard. Now third main question, we are going third main. In third main question given, simplify. Third main, simplify. In the simplify, it is written that 2 the power 2 by 3 into or dot 2 the power 1 by 5. You know, if the base are the same, a the power m into a the power n is equal to a the power m plus n. Because of if the base are the same, these are the called base, then in multiplication power are added. So we can write it like this: 2 the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Base is same, the base are the same written, this is added. Now 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2, 5 LCM, so 3 by 5, and that is the answer, to the power 3 by 5. This is the answer of this question. Next we are going second question. In that second question says that 1 by 3 the power 3, the total power 7. You know, power are having power are multiplied, so we can write it like this: 1 the power 7 by 3 the power 7. 3 the power 3 the power 7. In that 1 the power 1 only, by a, and a the power m into the power n is equal to a the power m into n. So we can write this one: 3 the power 3 7s are 21, 3 into 7. We can write 1 by 3 the power 27, or 1 by 3 the power 27. We can write in that way: 1 is upside, so we can write a the power means 3 the power minus 27. Why? Because of 1 by a the power m is equal to a the power minus m. This is the rule. So this we can write in that way. 21. There also, sorry for that, 21 it is. 21. Next question, it is shows that in that 11 the power 1 by 2 by 11 the power 1 by 4. You know, a the power m by a the power n is equal to a the power m minus n. Means if the base are the same, and then power are subtracted. So we can write base are the same, 11 same. So we can write 11 the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So we can write 11 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. We can write showing to here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 1 4 minus 2 1 ja 2 by 2 4 ja 8. Like this. So what we can write? In that we can write 2 by 8, means we can write 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 1 by 4. So we can write 11 the power 1 by 4. Here this explanation given here. This one explanation given here. So you can see in that. Now last question of this exercise. Question given here: 7 the power 1 by 2 dot means into multiplication 8 the power 1 by 2. If the power are equal, then bases are the multiplied. Bases can be done the multiplied. Because of a the power m into b the power m, so we can write the ab the power m. We can write. So here we can write 7 into 8 the power 1 by 2 is equal to 56 the power 1 by 2, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching.